Kusemzimkhulu wendaba eJohannesburg esiqongolweni somakhiwo kulapho ziphefula khona nanzi ezithujileko.
Abantu bethu abanamibereko abethu okuningi bafundile kusemandleni ethu thina njengabantu njengabaholi ukuthi izindlela ziphi esingazenza ukuthi abantu bethu bahelebheke.
Kuhlwe emini esitshabeni samaNdebele ngokucima kwelanga ingwenyama uMakhoseke wesibili Mabhena.
Ngathi nami ngisebenza sibhamu ebusuku ndazirola ngengubo ndawo waphansi ngafonela uThabo ukuthi Thabo kuyadutyulwa nejampasi.
Kusele ivalo nokuphelelwa lithemba ebantwini abahlala emhlahlaneni yeCleveland eJohannesburg ngemva ukuthi kudunyuzwe kwabulawa abantu abali-12 abanye balimala.
You wanted to use the inquiry you were already involved in as a foothold for you to go to Eratin, and getting to Eratin, then leapfrogging everyone else who was there.
Ufakaze komishinini kaMadlanga utshele ikomishini bona wahlala emzini kaVusimuzi Khet Matlala kodwa yena angazi bona kwaMatlala lapho.
We see now our home team coming back after 16 years, a rematch. We're as excited, as beautiful. I must say the Mexican people have been amazing to us.
Amabhinqa sendimene efaneleko bona kusasa ibafana ibambane neMexico emidlalweni webhigiri yephasi khona eMexico. Singena sesikhambisana nendaba zamafaqela nje ku-SABC1 nginguCedric Mwebya ngibawani ngamukele emakhaya akwande. Abantu abahlala emhlahlaneni yeCleveland eJohannesburg basele bathwele imkhono ehloko ukulandela isehlakalo sokudunyuzwa kubulawa abantu abali-12 kwathi abali-9 balimala. Izakhamuzi zithi amadoda abekahlome ngokweqileko afike akhamba ngequantum emhlophe sabantu abazokuthela ipetroli ngaphambi kokuthi badumuze abantu babaleka.
Zigcine seyikhishwa ngohlaka seyishonile ezinye izisulu zesigameko sokudubula esenzeke izolo emjondolo iJampasi. Kubika ukuthi kunequlu labesilisa belihamba ngetekisi iquantum emhlophe lafike lavala into bazokuphuma kule ndawo ladubula amahlandla amaningi libhekise ebantwini. Amaphoyisa athasejube ezinye inhlaka zamaphoyisa kule ndawo.
We have an activation plan which includes the crime intelligence, which includes our tracker team, which includes crime scene management criminal record center.
Amaphoyisa athina kube ngakabaxhakathisa benze lokhu kodwa aseyithendeni zabo.
We are confident that the team which we have deployed out there, they are following those leads, but it is indeed too early.
Bebethuthumela abanye babantu abahlala lapha njengoba belisho izulu lezandla ebusuku bayizolo. Abanye bathi kudingeka ukuthi baze bayoyishutheka ngaphansi kwembhede ukuze baphephe.
Isibhamu ebusuku ngathi nami ngisebenza sibhamu ebusuku ndazirola ngengubo ndawo waphansi ngafonela uThabo ukuthi Thabo kuyadutyulwa nejampasi. Angazi ukuthi uThabo phendile kahle kanjani nanda sibefonda nabanye kamakomiti ukuthi kuyadutyulwa nejampasi asazi and bengathi enjeke pha ngakuthi kulama khukhu yethu mitsha. Susela ngikhandiphile ndazi
manje saba kakhulu nje into esisaba kasiwazi ukuthi namhlanje solala sovuka senjani yenzeke silale sivuke singazi ukuthi kwenzekana ngoba labantu bathi bayabuya futhi back futhi bazobuya futhi manje asikho safety kakhulu izikho safety nje asiphephile nje asikho mnandi kakhulu.
Amaphoyisa aphinda ashaqe ezinye izinto ezivamise ukusetshenziswa yilabo abamba ngokunemthetho nabaziwa ngozamazama. Ikhansela lendawo lithe bazozama ukwelekelela imindeni elahlekelwe ngokuthi bayingcwabise ihlobo zayo inqobo nje uma kuukuthi labo bantu bazongcwatshelwa ngaphansi komkhandlu udolobha iGoli. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.
Ufakazi owaziwa ngofakazi aye komishinini kaMadlanga wethule ufakazi ngentumbeni ukuthi khabe ahlala emzini womuntu osolwa ngokuba lilunga lesiqhema sezelelesi uVusumuzi Khet Matlala. Lokhu kuza ngemva ukuthi ethule ufakazi ngomgwengweni ngomnyaka we-2021 malungana nokwetshiwa kwendakamizwa e-Aeroton. Waveza nokuthi abaphathi bakhe akhange baphatheke kuhle ngendaba le. Webe waveza nokuthi khabe ahlala emzini kaMatlala ngo-2023.
Ufakazi ayiwethule ubufakazi bakhe wathatha isiqundo sokubana angavezi elinye ilwazi elingathusela ukuthembeka kobufakazi bakhe malungana nokuchidelana kwakhe naloyo osolwa ngokuba lilunga lesichema sezelelesi uVusumuzi Khet Matlala.
I only found out during the course of my stay that the property belonged to Mr. Matlala. At the time, this did not concern me because I knew Mr. Matlala as a businessman.
Ufakazi ayi ubuye godu wafakaza ngenchijilo aqalana nazo lapha kwavela khona ukuthi wasebenzisa inomboro yephenyo yokwetshwa kwenyawupe ukufinyelela esihlakalweni se-Aeroton lapha kwetshwa khona indakamizwa zomhlobo wecocaine.
The distinct impression that I get is that you wanted to use the inquiry you were already involved in as a foothold for you to go to Aeroton.
Nakusenjalo ufakazi ayi ubuye godu wachukwa ngembuzo malungana nokusolwa kwakhe sikhulu sephiko lama-Hawks uMajor General Feroz Khan malungana nokubandakanyeka esehlakalweni sendakamizwa e-Aeroton kunye nokuthula kwakhe ngesikhathi uMugane uPhakula noMashaba basolwa ngokungaziphathi ngefanelo.
But you say nothing about their conduct, and thus you create the impression that their conduct was proper. It's the people who interfered with what they were doing that were acting improperly.
Nakusenjalo isikhulu Mashaba ekulindeleke ukuthi kube nguye olandelako ukwethula ubufakazi ubawe ukwethula ubufakazi emsithelweni ngenzathu zokungaphili kuhle. Iphenyo liyaraga.
Basangena bayaphuma abantu ekubalwa nengikhulu zembusweni nabanye abavela emkhakheni ehlukahlukeneko kuyokubhodla emswaneni esigodlweni samaNdebele ukulandela ukucima kwelanga ingonyama uMakhoseke wesibili uEnoch Mabhena ukhothame ukusa kwaizolo. Ingonyama beyineminyaka ema-66 ubudala. Ingonyama uMakhoseke ingonyama ebuse isikhathi eside ukuzidlula zonke elizweni leSouth Africa. Kanumbiki indaba we-SABC uComfort Masombo noSokhemera Thabo sihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Kudume endaweni yakwaMhlanga eMpumalanga ngemva kokuzwakala kwendaba zokuthi ilanga licimile ingwenyama uMakhoseke wesibili uEnoch Mabhena okhulumela umndeni esigodlweni idzinyani lengo umbulawa waMabhena uthi umndeni nesitshaba samaNdebele balobe khulu.
Ubabethu bengingasimmuntu nokho ogodolako ngaleyo ndlela. Bekumuntu okhamba ongazange alale phasi ngisho nangelanga la izolo ube sema-ofisini bekwabetha abo-5 kungabonakala ukuthi khona okungakhambi kuhle nokukhuluma naye ntambama sikhulumile azange kube khona ukusolisa ukuthi kunokungakaphili kuhle. Ngechudwe limbi ke unokufa wavakatsha.
Ingwenyama beyimchochozele bekathuthukisa ilimi lesindebele amasiko namagugu. Sonke isikhathi nayihlangene nabantu abatsha beyikhuluma ilimi lefundo njengendlela yokuzithuthukisa.
Nanke kwaba nabantwana ababonakala abazimisele ukwenza isindebele ngeuniversity le yangeTlagwe yange Northwest ngoba sesine memorandum of understanding nayo University yange Northwest bangasifundisa indebele.
Ngwenyama uMakhoseke wesibili wathatha isikhundla ngo-1986 wabonakala abangenye ingwenyama ezithandwa kakhulu. Ingwenyama beyihlonishwa kakhulu ngokuba mchochozeli welimi, amasiko, ngendlela yamagugu esitshaba nefundo. Licima nje ilanga belingusihlalo wehlanganetshe yamakhosi weSouth Africa ebeyihlanganisa ingwenyama nendlovukazi eSouth Africa zombelele. Ngo-2010 ngemva kwephenyo leminyaka emihlanu lekomishini yobuholi bendabuko umbango nemangalo eyaziwana ngekomishini kaNhlapho uhulumende wamemezela ingwenyama uMakhosoke wesibili njengengwenyama yesitshaba samaNdebele efaneleko. Idlulamithi kaMasokasokile ikhothama nje bekusalindele litho likhulu kiyo. Undunakhulu weMpumalanga uMandla Ndlovu uthi isitshaba silahlekelwe ingwenyama ebeyinobuhlakani obukhulu.
We want to thank the support that we are getting from the people of former KwaNdebele. They are here in large numbers to mourn the passing of their brainy, highly intelligent king, Mabena.
Ngokunjalo nosomkhandlu wezombuso ohlanganyela nezamakhosi eMpumalanga uSpeed Mashilo uhlathulula ingwenyama njengomchochozeli wesiko nombumbanisi wobuholi bendabuko.
Bewubaba ahlakaniphe kakhulu azwisisa imithetho emayelana namakhosi, imithetho ekhambisana bomasipala. He was a reservoir of wisdom. Mawufuna ukwazi ulwazi ngesintu into eziningi ufuna umbuzi.
Ihlangano yabaholi bendabuko eSouth Africa eContralesa idlulisa amezokuchiriya esigodlweni.
Currently, as a king, we're serving together in the Mutipe African Rainbow Minerals, where he was our chairperson. We are saying as the Amakosi, we have lost a giant, a visionary, our encyclopedia. May his soul rest in peace.
Ingwenyama isukela indlovukazi uSikhuthari Mabhena wesigodlo sabesuthu namalunga omndeni wesigodlweni. Amalungiselelo wenkonzo yesikhumbuzo kunye nomsebenzi wokutshalwa kwengwenyama asazokumenyezelwa.
Ezinye sakunande siziletha ezenzekako khona lapha emndenini wesigodlweni nangamalungiselelo sakunande sikuzobhulela zona kancane kancane mbukeli lapho ekhaya. Endabeni ze-SABC ngingocomfort wakwaMasombuka ngikubekela ngwamhlanga eMpumalanga.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sinikele ababukeli ithuba lokuthi nabo babhodle emswaneni ngokucima kwelanga ingwenyama uMakhosoke wesibili. Nakumono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Bayethe mntana omhle. Siyavelana bantakwethu, siyavelana nelikhaya. Apho kuwemthu omkhulu khona.
Bakalahlekelwa bodwa, silahlekelwe sonke sisitshaba samaNdebele.
Sengathi umoya wayo ungalala ngokuthula.
Silimele sonke. Zonke nje ilimi zilimele, zonke inhlanga zilimele ngalokho kwenzekile.
Indima yakhe wedlalile, uyibekile induku ebandla.
Uyile omuthi omkhulu. Umoya kathi walala ngokuthula.
Sithokoza uZimu ngokusiboleka inkosi yethu le ukuthi ikhona ukuraga umberego omhle kangaka yokuphatha isitshaba sonke sakwaNdebele.
Esithi ncancabe ebukhosini bakwaManala. SimaNdebele kufanele sizwane siyazwana.
Ngithi tutu emndenini nesigodlweni samaNdebele.
Akuhlangana ngehlile. Sithandeni samaNdebele wakwaManala.
Umbona ke umbukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Njengoba nakwenziwa amalungiselelo okubanjwa kwamakhetho wabohulumende bendawo, sithi akhe sihlole lekomishini ezijameleko yamakhetho iEIC ukuqala ukuthi sebakhambe kangangani ngamalungiselelo. I-Elections Wednesday ngokubambisana neIEC. Sikhulumisana nomjameli wekomishini le eMpumalanga uThando Xolo Chembeni. Babu Chembeni, siyakwamkela, ngikuphi abantu ekufanele bakuphathe nabazihlolisela ukuvota? Babu Chembeni? Babu Chembeni ukhona? Nasibuya eNtolo. Nasibuya eNtolo.
Baseserehe na.
Kuphehuke irawurawu izolo eSayplus kwaDlawulale batsho inkhulu zeCocta yeLimpopo zifike namapholisa endaweni le kuyiselwe khona ingoma. Sibize usomkhandlu wezendabuko Limpopo bona azokuphendula. Siyakwamukela mbukeli esigabeni sesibili sendaba zesiNdebele. Indaba ezi ziyatholakala ku Facebook, TikTok, X, YouTube na ku Instagram. Asirage nazo. Kuphekhuke irawurawe emangweni wokwiselwa kwabantwana kwadlawulale ngesikhathi amapholisa akhambisana namaphosilihlwa besiko lengoma bayokuvala ezinye zendawo zokubeka abantwana. Akhe sizwe ngomunye wabo Nobesa othwenyekileko ngesehlakalisi.
Singenele bafazi emphathi amapolisa sicela sithi sabona ingibheli sigijima zijinga ngemphathi nasi silandelako safumana vele umphathi bawurankele ngengidi nakanye nabelwana abo manje ikinga yethu namakhuwa ikhuwa mara nokho lona beli-1 mara abafazi bona bebabaningi manje namhlanje sisibhunubhunu la sikhona thina sazi ukuthi emdesenzeni ngendlela hlukumezeke ngakho namhlanje mina ngagidi umsuka ngo82 khona la namhlanje batho namhlanje indawo la isira dan bathutha abantwana bethu babasala bafuna khona asazi nje abantwana banamhlanje baseserehe na.
Njengoba kwenziwa amalungiselelo okubanjwa kwamakhetho wabohulumende bendawo sithi akhe sihlole nekomishini ezijameleko yamakhetho iEC ukuqala ukuthi sebakhambe kangangani ngamalungiselelo i-Elections Wednesday ngokubambisana neIEC. Sikhulumisana nomjameli wekomishini le eMpumalanga uThando Uxolo Chembeni. Babu Chembeni, siyakwamukela. Ngikuphi abantu ekufanele bakuphathe nabazozixolisela ukuvota? Siba kunqabeze ngenthombe zethu ezingakaveli sirakela phambili nendaba ukuzwa ngokunabeleko ngendaba lesikhulumisana nosomkhandlu weCoxstar eLimpopo ubaba uBiskop Makamo. Somkhandlu siyakwamukela endabeni zesiNdebele. Somkhandlu lingangani ilwazi lakho ngesehla kwalesi ngitsho ukuthi ngokwazi kwakho kwenzeke ini?
Thanks very much for the opportunity. Let me say today we are giving information about our state of interest for the 2026 initiative schools. But we still have some challenges about some illegal schools, about the 200. But you will know that because of the cultural and Ndebele culture, we're given opportunity to have their initiation schools from the 2nd of June to the 26th of June, so that they can be able to cover everything they should do. So as we speak, in Zandlas, there are about 31 initiation schools that we are discussing with the King Mabogo about making sure that we work together, close them because they are in Limpopo, but they are illegal initiation schools. So we are working very well with them to make sure we close them because we can't support them when they don't permit, which are the PICP.
Somkhandlu njengeCoxstar isenzo esifana nalesi khani anisiboni njengokugandelela isiko lamaNdebele nokulimaza amalungelo wamasiko na ngokungenisa abantu abangalaziko isiko eli la kubekwe khona abantwana?
I could not necessarily get that question, Cedric.
Umbuzo uthi ba ngesenzo esifana nalesi khani anisibona ukuthi sigandelela isiko lamaNdebele nokulimaza amalungelo wamasiko na ngokungenisa abantu abangalaziko isiko eli la kubekwe khona abantwana?
Look, it's not about dealing with the rights, but what I'm saying is that we had a discussion about the permits they were holding on these 21 initiation schools around Zanzibar, but in the area of Wellington, that they are found in Limpopo. We are discussing with them that we can transfer them to the nearby initiation schools in the province which have got permits, which are legal. So we are working well. We gave them 3 days because there were discussions between us and King Mabogo, security, making sure we resolve the challenge.
Somkhandlu siyakuthokoza ukuba nawe namhlanje endabeni zesiNdebele. Njengoba nakwenziwa amalungiselelo okubanjwa kwamakhetho wabohulumende bendawo sithi akhe sihlole ekomishini ezijameleko yamakhetho iIEC ukuqala ukuthi sebakhambe kangangani ngamalungiselelo i-Elections Wednesday ngokubambisana neIEC. Sikhulumisana nomjameli wekomishini le Mpumalanga uThando Xolo Chembeni. Baba Chembeni siyakwamukela indaba zesindebele ngikuphi abantu ekufanele bakuphathe nabazozihlolisela ukuvota?
Sibingelele mhathi sibingelele abalaleli abantu kufanele bazovota kufanele baphathe umazisi wabo lona o green esibiza ukuthi green barcode ID noma lo ekhadi noma lo isikhashana lo sijalo ngokuthi i temporary identification certificate kodwa lapho sifanele siqaphele ukuthi lo TIC umazisi uphelelwa isikhathi so abantu funa baqikelele ukuthi TIC yabo isase right ngesikhathi. So ilezo zinto ufuna baziphathe kodwa sithi umuntu ufanele abe neminyaka ewu16 kuyaphezulu ukuze akhonele ukutlolisela ukuvota noma ke aphinde abhalise lapho ehlela khona futhi azobhalise khona noma atlolisele khona. Siphinde sithi loyo muntu lo ufuna abe umhlali ophelele waseNingizimu Afrika ngokuzalwa noma ngeinhlelo ezithize ezenziwa ku-Department of Home Affairs. So sinxusa wonke umuntu ukuthi ngomhla ka-20 ngomhla ka-21 February abasondele ey'tishini zethu ezibazotlolisela ukuvota ngo-4 November 2026 tolise lapho mhathi.
Siyakuthokoza Baba Chembeni ukuba nawe namhlanje. Kezemidlalo Bafana yamukelwe ngehahla eMexico ekuseni namhlanje njengoba nayo kubambana neMexico kusasa emidlalweni yokuthoma ngehour 9 ebusuku wokuvula ibhigiri yephasi ihlangana nabo kunongqongqotshe wezemidlalo uGayton Mackenzie othi uyayethemba iBafana kanti neLimpopo abalandeli beBafana bafunisela ngeyabo indlela.
I think our people should stop underestimating our team. This is the team that qualified despite having 3 points deducted. Some teams, like Nigeria, didn't qualify and no points were deducted. But South Africans, Bafana, these boys are going to show the world that when the going gets tough, we get tougher as South Africans. I got no doubt we're going to draw with Mexico. We are going to beat the other two.
Yeah, it's very exciting. I must say, seeing our home team coming back after 16 years, a rematch, we're as excited. It's beautiful. I must say the Mexican people have been amazing to us.
Look at this. I mean, look at this. I flew 36 hours to be here. And you can see how much love Bafana has been given. In fact, there was a lady in reception who was asking me what's the right way to greet them once they arrived.
Win or draw or win.
Mexico opponent and since they 5 minutes already. Bafana ya draw and 2 draws. So I see we get draw.
I'm not happy about the selection of our team. So actually I don't trust the team or a world result.
Lochani ekhaya napubujamo bezulu ngelesithathu livulile phakathi nenaga yeSouth Africa ukuchinga ngaleke ngetshingala zinkomba zomoya leza uzibonako nakamathuba wezulu eDurban eRichards Bay embombela ukuchinga ngale kubophulukwane nge30% kanti ke sibona lapha ke nembheje ezikhombisa ukuthi kunekungu ekhasa phasi yelela ucheje ekseni na uchayelako kusasa ke kunamathuba wezulu aphekelelwa moya nakhe umakhaza ngale ngeCape Town nge30% kanti ke god nasi yanekungu isabonakala livulile phakathi nenaga kuthi kwezinye endaweni zangale Richards Bay eMbombela sibona godu ikungu tsheja khulu uyelele ekseni na uchayelako. Sithole lapha isilemukiso sakusasa kunomoya esifundeni sangaleke ngePumalanga Kapa nalapha emkhawulweni wangaleke ngeFreystata. Siyokucala amazinga okuchisa sithome ngapha ngesifundeni sangeGauteng. Akhe sibone ukuthi ngahani akhamba njani na. Sifunda sangeGauteng sibonakala ke sipholile ngokukhamba kwesikhathi nokho ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza kule iPitori phola nge20 lapha eBronkhorstspruit pheze kumakhaza neJohannesburg imini yonke neCarltonville nge18 degrees Celsius. Asiyokucala lapha ke sifunda sangale ngeLimpopo naso ke ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza kodwa siyafuthumela endaweni eziningi kusephulukwane nalapha eTzanini la sibona kuphole khona neliphalale nge23 ngemva kwamadina. Sicale lapha ke isifunda sangale ngeMpumalanga naso ke ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza kule iMashishini nalapha eSekhunda Emelo kumakhaza imini yonke neMkhondo kuthi lapha ke kubomhlanga Malahleni sibona lapha ke liyaphola ngemva kwamadina isikhukhuza iyachisa nge27 iKwaZulu Natal leya ke efuthumeleko ngemva kwamadina kusebusuku nekuseni lapho ke kumakhaza khona kupholile Kokstad nge22 ngemva kwamadina. Mpumalanga Kapa nayo ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza kule endaweni zonke kuthi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kuKompoqonqe sibona kufuthumele neMakhanda neGqeberha nge26 ngemva kwamadina. Kusetshingilanga Kapa ke lapha sibone khona umoya omakhaza ochidelako uletha amakhaza pheze imini yonke isifunda sonke iGeorge nokho nalapha eMosal Bay sibona khona ke kupholile ngemva kwamadina nge20 seTlagwini Kapa ke lapha kumakhaza nalapha eSpringbok imini yonke nalapha eSutherland imini yonke kuthi Uppington yona ke ifuthumele ngemva kwamadina nge24 iFreystata nayo ke ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda sithi ukuphola lapha kubo Welkom nalapha eBloemfontein iFixburg Viepenar neGaribdam zimakhaza imini yonke yenibathe nifuthumele kokugcina sicala lapha ke isifunda sangeTlagwini Chingalanga nakhona ke kuyaphola ngemva kwamadina nokho ke ebusuku yenibathe nekuseni nifuthumele sibonane ngesikhathi esilandelako. Dido